Hey friends, welcome to my new video. So in this video we are going to see the guess the number game. Okay, so in last video we seen while loop, then before that for loop. So here we are going to use each and everything we learned till now. Okay, in this program. Okay, so this is guess the number game. So it is one project. Okay, so I will give the basic idea. In this game, computer will generate a random number. We need to guess that. Okay, we need to enter that, and then computer will check it is correct or not. Simple game it is. And if you not understood what is basic idea, you will get to know that when we will get the output. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is we are going to import a module. So that module's name is random. Okay, so we are going to import this random module. After random module, we are going to use one function in this random package. Okay, so that is random dot randint. So this randint function generates some numbers. Okay, so here first we will give the initial value and the ending value, means between these two it will generate the numbers. Okay, so that is function of randint. Now let's store it in variable. I will give you a trial. Okay, for that we need to store it in variable, or else there is one more method, but that is little complex. Print a, and let's run it. Okay, you will see 11. So computer has generated 11. Okay, so got it, like this number, random numbers it generates. So we are not going to we are going to store it in a variable called, let's say, comp or lap g, means laptop guess, lap g. Okay, is equal to randint. After that, now we are going to use the while loop we learned in last video. So tries is equal to, or instead of tries let's take I. Okay, so I is equal to 1. Okay, while I smaller than equal to 10, player. Okay, we are going to store input, means user need to give the value for guessing. So for that we need to take this input 10 times. Okay, so that's why we will store it in variable input, enter a number between 1 to 100. Okay, after that we are going to increment I is equal to I plus 1. Done. Then we are going to use the conditions. Okay, if and else statement, like if lap g smaller than player, P capital, player, print we need a. So now it's very simple, as there is smaller than sign. So when the player is greater than this lap g, or lap g is smaller than the player's guess, so that time we will say lower, we need a lower value. Okay, then we will use elif lap g greater than player, we will print higher, will print we need higher value. Okay, after that, now if we print lower value, higher value, but if the number entered by the user and the number generated by this is same, it should show that you have won. So else print you won. Okay, so now we have used our conditions. So let's run this code. Enter number between 1 to 100. Let's enter 34. We need higher value, so let's enter 40. We need higher value, let's enter 50. We need higher value, let's enter 60. We need higher value, let's enter 70. We need a lower value, so now we get clue that the number is between say 60 and 70. Okay, so let's enter 65. We need higher value, so now more clue we have got that it is greater than 65 but smaller than 70. 66. We need a higher value, 67. We need a higher value again, 68. You won. Okay, so let's check how many times it asked us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th time it will ask us 67. Now it will end. Okay, so what happened is, if we get you won, so we need to stop there itself. Why we need to means why it asks us enter a number between 1 to 100 again if we have already won the game. So for that we need to break the loop. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to break the loop. Okay, when it will print you won, that time loop will break, means again it will not ask. For example, let's see once. 45. We need a higher value 50. We need a higher value 60, 70, 80, 70, 80. So let's take 85. Let's take 84. Let's take 83. Let's take 82. Let's take 81. 81 is confirmed, it will be 81. Oh, still how it can be 83. Okay, see, we need a higher value, so we entered 80. We need a say 84. We need a lower value. Still it's asking we need a lower value, so 82 we need a lower value. Okay, 81 we need a lower value. Okay, so what has happened here? Okay, what has happened? So see, well, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times only it has asked us. So why it has asked us only 9 times? We have entered 10 here. Still why it has asked us 9 times? Okay, so for giving clue, let's run it again. 56. We need a higher value, 60. Okay, so this time I think there was an error, inbuilt error in computer, because what happened is we checked it. Okay, so 65. Let's enter 80. We need a lower value, 70. We need a lower value, so it is between 60, 70, 65, 64. You won. And now loop is broken here. Got it? Okay, so got it. Let's take it is 10 times or 9 times. Okay, 56. Now it happened 5 times, 6 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, at 7 times, 8 times, 9 times and 10 times. Okay, correct it is. Okay, so there was an inbuilt issue in computer that time, so no need. Okay, so till here I think that till here everyone has understood. Okay, so next we are going to, so to make it more attractive, we are going to give one title. So let's give title like, let's give title like print these hashtag signs. Oh, but no, we can't give this. Oh, we can give hashtag. We'll give it 10 times, or let's take 3 times by 3. Let's guess the number game. Again, we will give that hashtag signs multiplied by 3. Now let's run it. See, 3, guess the number game. Okay, so now it is more attractive. One more thing we are going to do is, now when the loop is broken here, we need to, when the loop is broken, we need to also, we can also do one thing. When we will win, this loop will break. Okay, but it should also print yes you are correct, like that. Yes you are correct, number was that. So let's do that change as well. Let's take the number was comma, and we will write labg. Done. Okay, now we will run it. 1 to 100, let's take 70, lower value 60, lower value 50, lower value 40, 20, 10. Okay, so it is between 10 and 20, 15. You won. The number was 15. Got it? So like this only my idea was. So it was correct. Okay, so there was no error. So it is very simple. You can also try. It is very interesting. Very interesting game. Means not in advanced stage, but a basic stage of Python. This game is good because of this game we can use many basic functions of Python in one program. That's why it is a good program. We can practice it for the basic clearance. Okay, so I hope everyone will try this program. So this was today's video. So thank you. You can also try this on your computer in VS Code or any or any editor. So thank you. Bye bye.